Hello, I'm Philip Stoten for EMS Now. I'm here at SMT in Nuremberg and I'm joined by Christian Ulzhöfer from SMT. Christian, thanks for stopping by to chat. Start by telling me a little bit about the products that SMT are offering specifically here at the show.
We have 6 product families. We have started with our reflow systems. Now here on the SMT exhibition we present our new vacuum module, which is an advanced reflow technology. We install the vacuum module between the heating zone and the cooling zone of our reflow systems. We present our tempering machines, especially designed for coatings, conformal coatings. We present a new system which is called Cube. It's a lean-based system for hot and cold function tests. It covers a temperature range from minus 50 to plus 200 degrees Celsius. Then we present our UV curing system, which is also designed for conformal coatings. And basically that's it.
Yeah, okay, so lots of products, lots going on. What is, in terms of the German market, what's driving demand, what's driving technology?
So at the moment the driving technology is definitely the vacuum module, the vacuum technology. As I told you, the vacuum module is installed between the heating zone and the cooling zone of a reflow system. We use the system in order to reduce the voids, which means gaseous inclusions in the liquid solder joint, which results in a high quality solder joint. Usually we apply these processes in high current applications. The new hybrid technology, one definition is electrical mobility. You have cars with high electricity components, high current components, and for these components we need the vacuum technology to define or to get really high quality solder joints. Okay. This is at the moment one of our most successful product families.
Okay, and you mentioned the automotive industry. Is the automotive industry the sector that pushes you hardest in terms of demand?
Yes. Another good example is the Cube, which is designed for the hot and cold function tests. This is a very high demand which we have at the moment. Our customers want to implement 100% hot and cold function tests in their production lines, which means they are not longer happy with the product development and with cycle tests which are done before the production, because then you cannot say anything of the product quality in the production line. You need something to test your products, and for this reason we designed this hot and cold function test. The cold function test goes down to minus 50 degrees up to minus 10 degrees, and the hot function test typically is in the range between 80 and 140 degrees Celsius.
Okay, and we're hearing more and more about people closing the loop in terms of data, having the oven communicate with the SPI and those. Is that something you're able to do?
Yes, definitely. The MES system for manufacturing execution systems is something very important for us. So just to give you one example, the vacuum machine is a machine which has a similar amount of software than hardware.
Right.
It's a very complex system, and we are able to combine it with any kind of MES system on the market.
Okay, yeah, that's really important. That whole traceability has become a key factor. Your customers that are buying your product, are they typically OEMs or EMS or a mixture of both?
It is a mixture of both. In terms of the vacuum technology, if an OEM buys our vacuum oven, he uses as a 100% vacuum machine. The machine itself is flexible enough to use it as a vacuum system and as a conventional reflow system. So most of our customers are OEMs, but a great part is also
contract manufacturing, And their demands are different because they want machines that are going to do one thing one day and configure to do another thing the next day. And you're able to meet that. And how much of your business is here in Germany and how much is outside?
About 40% of our turnover is done in Germany and 60% is outside Germany.
And the outside Germany is mainly Europe or worldwide?
It is mainly Europe and a large focus on the Asian market and on the North American market, especially Mexico.
Okay, and in Europe, where are you seeing demand from outside of Germany? Is it Romania, Hungary,
This is very
Poland?
interesting, especially for our high-end products is the eastern part of Europe. It is Hungary, Romania, Bulgaria, yeah.
And you're seeing good, solid demand there at the moment?
Yes.
Yeah. And are they the kind of people you'd expect to see here in Nuremberg, or do you think they'll wait and come to Productronica, or?
Yeah, the exhibition in Nuremberg more and more becomes to a national exhibition.
A German show, yeah.
So we have a lot of European customers and interested people from Europe that comes to the SMT Nuremberg exhibition, but most of the customers come from Germany.
From German mainland. Okay. Well, Christian, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for chatting. I hope you have a very successful week here, and I look forward to talking again soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.